In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading this app called OS 18 Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, hit while using and allow in all pop-ups. Close and add, and adjust all of the available settings however you want to. Then hit Set as Default and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same app. Click in Set as Default at the top and choosing Samsung Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!